The history of beauty culture can be traced back to ancient times, when people used natural ingredients to enhance their appearance. In ancient Egypt, for example, both men and women used cosmetics made from natural ingredients like beeswax, honey, and minerals to enhance their beauty. During the Middle Ages, beauty practices were heavily influenced by the Church, which considered excessive grooming and makeup as sinful. However, this changed during the Renaissance period, when there was a renewed interest in beauty and aesthetics. In the 20th century, beauty culture underwent a significant transformation, thanks to advancements in technology and the rise of the beauty industry. In the 1920s, the flapper culture popularized short hairstyles and bold makeup looks. During the 1950s and 1960s, beauty icons like Marilyn Monroe and Audrey Hepburn set new trends in beauty, emphasizing the importance of classic, feminine looks. The 1970s and 1980s saw a shift towards natural beauty and a focus on skincare, with the rise of organic and natural beauty products. In the 1990s and 2000s, the beauty industry grew rapidly, with the introduction of new products and technologies like Botox, fillers, and laser treatments. Today, the beauty industry is a multi-billion-dollar industry, with a wide range of products and services catering to different beauty needs. From skincare and makeup to hair care and nail art, the beauty industry continues to evolve, reflecting changing cultural and societal trends.